Shanghai Sunk Intelligent Shade Technology Company Limited specializes in the R&D and smart manufacturing of premium motorized shading systems. We are dedicated to providing architect-grade solutions for global residential, commercial, and hospitality projects. Solutions built to stand the test of time. Quality is born from an uncompromising pursuit of craftsmanship. From precision aluminum processing to exact drilling and milling for every connection point, we define our standards through data. On our assembly lines, motors and LED strips undergo rigorous torque calibration and circuit testing. Before leaving the factory, every system must pass durability tests simulating extreme climates, ensuring it can effortlessly withstand the sun and storms of any region. Backed by our robust manufacturing capabilities, we offer highly flexible modular solutions, whether for a private courtyard or a large commercial complex. Everything from fabric cutting to surface finishes can be customized to your exact specifications. With integrated smart drainage and synchronized lighting, we create outdoor spaces that truly serve people. We deliver more than just products. We provide a seamless end-to-end experience. From BIM and CAD technical support to on-site installation guidance, Sunk's transparent and efficient service network ensures your design is flawlessly realized. Sunk, making smart shading and second language of architecture. We look forward to partnering with you to create lasting value.